You don't have to depend on a miracle to change your life. You just need to know the right steps to take. Because the truth is, your life can change so fast that people start asking questions like, who helped him? What connection did he get? How did he suddenly become so disciplined? And the funny part is, you didn't cheat. You just stopped living like the old version of you. Here's the part most people don't understand. Transformation doesn't usually happen from one massive decision. It happens from small actions repeated so consistently that your identity has no choice but to change. If you want to change your life so fast, the first thing you need is proof. Proof that you can trust yourself again. Most men are not lazy because they lack dreams. They are stuck because they have broken too many promises to themselves. They say, tomorrow I'll start, then tomorrow comes, and they negotiate again. After a while, your brain stops believing you. So, start with one small promise, not 10. 1. Wake up at a fixed time. Do 1 hour of focused work. Read 10 pages. Train 3 times a week. Stop scrolling before bed. Make it small enough that you can't hide behind excuses, but meaningful enough that it demands respect. Because every time you keep a promise to yourself, you rebuild your inner authority. And once a man can trust himself, he becomes dangerous. Not dangerous to people, dangerous to his old limits. But here's the mistake most men make. They try to change their whole life while still living in the same environment that created the old version of them. Same messy room, same distracted phone, same friends with no direction, same late nights, same emotional chaos. You cannot build a sharp life in a noisy environment. So, your second move is this. Remove physical and mental obstructions. Make your bed every morning. Put your phone away when it is time to work. Prepare your work clothes before the morning. Delete the apps that keep stealing your future. Your environment should make discipline easier. Think of your life like a video game. Most men are trying to beat a difficult level with weak settings. Bad sleep, poor food, no focus, no structure, too much distraction. Then they wonder why they keep losing. Change the settings. Sleep better. Eat like your health matters. Drink water like your energy depends on it. Exercise regularly. Read 10 pages of a business, finance, or psychology book every day. This is not boring advice. This is the foundation. A man who is tired, distracted, and unhealthy will always struggle to act with purpose. Now, here's the cheat code that is not actually cheating. Deep work. 1 focused hour every day. No phone. No music that distracts you. No fake multitasking. No, let me just check something quickly. 1 hour where your attention is locked on the thing that can move your life forward. Your skill, your business, your studies, your body, your craft, your future. Most people don't have a talent problem. They have an attention problem. They spend 5 hours pretending to work, when 1 serious hour would produce more results. If you do 1 deep work hour every day for 6 months, people will call you lucky. Let them. They didn't see the quiet work. They didn't see you fighting the urge to quit. They didn't see you becoming the kind of man who no longer needs to be pushed. And finally, you must accept one truth that will either break you or build you. No one is coming to save you. Help may come, yes, but your rescue starts with you. The moment you stop waiting for someone to discover you, encourage you, or drag you into greatness, you become free. You stop asking, why is life unfair? And you start asking, what can I do right now? That question changes everything, because fast transformation is not magic. It is ownership. It is 1 promise kept daily, 1 hour of focus, 1 better decision, 1 cleaner environment, 1 stronger body. Repeat it until people no longer recognize you. If this video gave you the push you needed, hit the like button and subscribe to Masculine Guide. Stay focused.